Alright, hey boys and girls. So today we're going to work on summarizing the story that you listened to yesterday. Remember the name of the story that you read was, or you listened to was, Nail Soup. So we're going to use the summarizing template to help us summarize the story. So the first is our somebody. Who was the main character? Yep, Eric and his dad. And what did the main character want? He wanted food. But what was the problem? They didn't have any. So, what did they do to solve the problem? They asked a farmer and his wife. Then, the resolution of the story was the farmer and his wife shared their food to make nail soup. So now that we have our notes in, we can write the whole paragraph. So we'll come over here. I'll say our somebody. Say Eric was hungry, but his dad didn't have any food. His dad asked a farmer and his wife to share their food, but they didn't want to. Oops, I'll change this real fast. Eric's dad asked for some water to make nail soup. The water smelled so good. The farmers gave some of their food to help make the soup. Okay. So let's see, we have our somebody was Eric, was hungry, but his dad didn't have any food. His dad asked a farmer and his wife to share their food, but they didn't want to. The farmer and his wife shared their food to make nail soup. So the water smelled so good, the farmers gave up some of their food to help make the soup. Then everyone ate and was happy. So there is the summary to the story that we listened to yesterday. Eric was hungry, but he didn't have any food. His dad asked a farmer and his wife to share their food, but they didn't want to. Eric's dad asked for some water to make the nail soup. The water smelled so good, the farmers gave up some of their food to help make the soup. Then everyone ate and was happy. There is the summary to our story. Alright, boys and girls, so your reading assignment today is to read the story Kyoto Frog and Osaka Frog. So I read the story, answer the questions about the text, then I would like you to go and fill out the summarizing worksheet. So tell me who the somebody was, who is the main character, or in this case, characters. There are two of them. What did they want? But what was their problem? So how did they solve their problem? Then what was the best solution to the story? So fill out the graphic organizer and write a paragraph about what the story was about. You can either do this on the Google Classroom app, or you can write it on a separate piece of paper and take a picture of it and upload it to Classroom, whichever works easiest for you. Alright, boys and girls, so we're going to look at some of our new vocabulary words for this week. Our first word is variety. Variety means a number of different things. So we could have a variety of food to choose from to eat. When we go to the grocery store, or there's usually a variety on the menu at a restaurant, a variety of different kinds of food you could have. The next word is aroma. Aroma is the pleasant or agreeable smell or fragrance. So if something smells good, we might say it has a nice aroma. Our next word is healthful. Healthful means wholesome and good for your health. So most of the times when we go to the grocery store, we might want to choose healthful foods for our body. The last word we'll talk about today is the word flavorful. Flavorful means tasty and full of flavor. Can you think of something that's flavorful? Alright, boys and girls, so then after you have finished writing your summary about the story with the frogs, and then you will go to Epic. You'll find the book that I sent you, Ready Freddy number 9, Shark Tooth Tale. You'll listen to the story for about 15 minutes. Remember, you can set the timer on your iPad to do this. When you are done, you need to prove to me what you listened to prove to me that you actually listened to it and to just have it playing. So you need to either write me a summary about what you read about, draw a picture, draw and label a picture, or make a video to tell me what you listened to. Upload this document to Google Classroom. And